Meet the latest cordless stick vacuums from Panasonic, the SBR40 and SBR70. Designed for modern living, they're powerful, lightweight and easy to use, giving you the flexibility to clean every part of your home with ease. Hi, I'm Bruce from Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to go through the key features and benefits of both vacuums by cleaning my entire house. Then I'll tell you what extras you get with the SBR70 so you can best choose the one that suits your needs. Let's get into it. First of all, what's in the box? Each model comes with a freestanding base for storage and a full set of accessories. Now the freestanding base I think is actually a great call out, as other stick vacuums often come with a wall mount which require you to have to drill holes into the wall, which not everyone can actually do. And I also like having the freedom to be able to move the vacuum wherever I need if I need to change my storage situation, whereas once you mount it onto the wall, it's kind of stuck there forever. Both models also include bright LED lights on the main floor head. This helps you to see and clean hidden dust under furniture, in corners or along skirting boards. Now this is not something that I've actually really ever thought about, but I actually found it to be quite helpful, especially when I was doing my stairs where the lighting is limited. When it comes to battery life, both vacuums use a high capacity lithium ion battery, giving you up to just under 1 hour in eco or auto mode, or around 10 to 12 minutes on high power mode. Charging takes about 5 hours, but if you get the SBR70, it actually comes with a second battery pack and a charging dock, which I love because you get double the cleaning time, which makes it the better choice for larger homes. In terms of suction power, the SBR40 delivers strong suction, which is great for everyday performance, while the SBR70 steps it up with a stronger suction power, which is better for homes with thicker carpets or when you want a more thorough clean. The main vacuum head is also motorized with a pet hair attachment, so if you have pets or someone in your house tends to leave a lot of hair everywhere, then you're good to go. Designed for convenience, both models are lightweight and easy to maneuver with the 20cm wand extension, and they can also convert quickly into a handheld vacuum, perfect for when you're doing stairs. Then, when you're done, it's easy to empty the dust box without removing it from the vacuum, and all the filters in dust box are fully washable for simple maintenance and hygiene. Speaking of hygiene, both models have a 4-stage filter system with HEPA, so it also stops microscopic dust from getting through, keeping your house fresh and clean. So, what are the main differences between the two models? Well, the SBR70 comes with that second removable battery, giving you up to a total of 116 minutes of cleaning time, which is ideal for larger homes. The SBR70 also delivers much more suction power compared to the SBR40. Also unique to the SBR70 is the dust sensor. The dust sensor automatically detects dust levels and adjusts suction power, saving battery life and ensuring a thorough clean. So if I was to summarize which vacuum would probably be ideal for different users, if you live in a smaller home or an apartment, the SBR40 gives you a great performance with good battery life and easy storage, all at a smart value price. If you have pets, thicker carpets or a larger home, the SBR70 offers more suction power for a more thorough clean and longer runtime with the extra battery. Both models deliver on Panasonic's trusted quality, hygiene and convenience, helping you keep your home clean and comfortable every day. If you are looking for more information, be sure to check out Panasonic.com or check out some of our other videos on other products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.